Afro dance, dance, dance. Foodie dance, dance, Afro dance, foodie dance.
Hello Uganda, my name is Chef Idro aka the Afro Dancing Chef, and I'm right here in Jinja at the source of the Nile. And come this month on the 26th, we're gonna be here for the National Agricultural Show. As you can see around me, we've got maize over there, we've got cabbage over here, we've got spinach, and it's gonna be sizzling. So on the 26th of this month, we're gonna be having the National Agriculture Show right here, and it's going to be sizzling, it's going to be hot. And on this street right here, we're going to have the street food village, where we're going to have a lot of our street food people displaying our nyama choma. We're going to have gonja, we're going to have all the things that are regarded as our street food. It's going to be sizzling hot, and it's going to be awesome. Don't miss this opportunity, and see you there.
Uganda Development Forum, fostering development.